Do you feel like you're drowning in data and losing hours manually managing your Amazon PPC campaigns? Introducing PPC Storm, the ultimate solution to reclaim your time and supercharge your Amazon PPC management. Why spend hours manually fetching data from Amazon, analyzing spreadsheets, and editing bids when PPC Storm can streamline it all for you? With PPC Storm, your data flows seamlessly. Watch as it auto-optimizes your bids, discovers new keywords, and gives you actionable insights all in real time. Our intuitive dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view of your campaigns. See your best-performing products, identify wasted ad spend, and more, all in one place. Time is money, and with PPC Storm, you'll save plenty of both. No more manual adjustments, no more tedious data crunching, just pure, efficient PPC management. And did we mention automation? Set your completely custom rules once, and let PPC Storm handle the rest. Adjust bids, pause underperforming keywords, and scale your winners, all while you sip your morning coffee. Say goodbye to the tedious task of making manual edits through Amazon's native platform. Need to manually make your campaign adjustments fast? PPC Storm has got you covered. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say about how PPC Storm has transformed their PPC game. Ready to weather the PPC storm with ease? Join us, and let's make your Amazon advertising more efficient, effective, and effortless.